So this is the woman who had a stroke a while ago. We're here with her family members. Last time I adjusted her was 2 months ago. She's 99. Her family said she's not really having a great day today. Her breathing is really kind of labored, and she's been sleeping a boatload. I've already palpated her, and I'm going to look to adjust her atlas. And I think she'll cooperate because we did it last time and it went fine. But we'll see if I can just get her slightly lateral. Beautiful. Good. I'm not going to get as much of a release as last time. Okay, how we doing? You want to come back for a while?
Mamita.
Okay.
She needs more ears to learn.
What, she moving it over?
She was reaching.
You there?
You can hold her hand.
Come on, your power's on now. This is your chance.
Mamita, wake up. Despierte, mamita. Me tiene visita.
Okay, so instead of me, you should come say hello. I'll see you in December. Okay? Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. Feliz cumpleaños.